These vegetables are known for their nutritional benefits and potential to support these organs' function. Here are 5 vegetables that are commonly recognized for their positive impact on kidney and liver health. 1. Leafy greens. For example, spinach, kale, collard greens. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, like vitamin C and vitamin K, and minerals, including potassium, which can help maintain kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. For example, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage. Cruciferous vegetables contain compounds that support liver detoxification processes, such as glucosinolates. They are also rich in fiber and antioxidants, promoting overall liver health. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that can aid in the activation of liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. It may also support kidney function by promoting blood circulation and reducing inflammation. 4. Beets. Beets are a good source of antioxidants and nitrates, which have been shown to support liver function and may help reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. 5. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect both the kidneys and liver from oxidative damage. They also contain fiber, which is beneficial for overall digestive health. Remember that a healthy diet alone cannot replace medical treatment or reverse existing kidney or liver conditions. If you have concerns about your kidney or liver health, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and personalized advice. Additionally, staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is crucial for supporting kidney health. Keeping the kidneys and liver clean and functioning optimally is crucial for overall health and well-being. Both of these organs play vital roles in maintaining the body's internal balance and removing waste and toxins. Here are some reasons why it's essential to take care of these organs. 1. Detoxification. The liver is the primary organ responsible for detoxifying the blood and processing toxins, drugs, and other harmful substances. It converts these toxins into less harmful forms that can be eliminated from the body. Similarly, the kidneys filter waste products and excess substances from the blood to form urine. Keeping these organs healthy ensures that the body can effectively remove waste and prevent the accumulation of harmful substances. 2. Metabolism and nutrient storage. The liver plays a significant role in metabolism. It helps convert nutrients from the food we eat into energy, stores essential vitamins and minerals, and regulates blood glucose levels. A healthy liver ensures that these metabolic processes work efficiently. 3. Blood pressure regulation. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. They help maintain the balance of electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, and fluid levels in the body. Proper kidney function is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 4. Red blood cell production. The kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which stimulates the bone marrow to produce red blood cells. Adequate red blood cell production is vital for carrying oxygen to all parts of the body. 6. Kidney stones. Keeping the kidneys clean and hydrated can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, which are painful mineral and salt deposits that can obstruct the urinary tract. 7. Liver diseases. Maintaining liver health can reduce the risk of liver diseases such as fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. A healthy liver is better equipped to handle potential insults and recover from damage. To support the health of these organs, it's essential to adopt a healthy lifestyle, which includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, limited alcohol consumption, and avoidance of smoking or drug abuse. If you have specific concerns about your kidney or liver health, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance.